we are going to be making, so I'm not ready for this. Cut.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cook with Oksana, and today we are making another one of my absolute favorite recipes and a lot of other people's favorite recipe. True, authentic Ensenada fish tacos. This is not my recipe, it's my mom's, so I have a very special guest to show you guys how it's done. My mom, or my sister, said every male cashier at the grocery store checking us out, checking her out. Also, this is the kickoff of my brand new series, Best Of series, where I bring people on so they can showcase their best recipes. And these people are going to show you the best they've got. And you can be the judge to say if their best is really the best. Back to the tacos. These tacos are the ultimate party pleaser. It's the only reason people come to our family parties. It's the only reason I go to our family parties. Thank God my mom's not here yet. Don't believe me? Listen up.
Veronica's tacos are super light, flaky, and they're just so fresh, especially if you put her special sauce and then you do a squeeze of lime. Oh my gosh, I've been dreaming about them.
And now, if you believe that, without further ado, let's go. Here are all your ingredients: corn tortillas, paprika, onion powder, yellow mustard, amino acids, baking powder, salt, oregano, salsa, chopped onion, canola oil, flour, green cabbage, mayonnaise, crema el mexicano, whole milk, egg, limes, tomatoes, jalapeno, tilapia, white pepper. Alright, so we got our tilapia ready to go.
Cut up all in strips, size of a finger. Our next step is going to be to actually marinate the fish. You want to make sure that you add some amino acids. You need to reduce them to 1-to-1 ratio with water so that you don't get a salty fish. Yeah, make sure that all the fish gets that flavor. After your fish is all marinated, you just kind of set it aside. And we're gonna go ahead and prepare the mix. So you wanna go ahead and just get the flour, the pinch of the oregano, and then just go ahead and squeeze it so it's really blended in. White pepper, you just wanna do a pinch of it. You can just add about a pinch.
I don't know if any of that got in there.
Then we're gonna move on to the garlic. Next, we're gonna add some paprika. Now we're going to do 1 teaspoon of mustard.
I didn't know mustard was in here. I've had these tacos a lot of times. I didn't know.
It just adds color and of course flavor. You want to go ahead and grab the milk.
Pour that in.
And then pour it in, and then stop right there, and then just go ahead and grab the egg and then go ahead and put it in there. Crack the egg and then make sure you don't drop it on the floor. It goes in the bowl. There we go. Oh.
They've been watching the videos.
And then you want to go ahead and mix it up. Keep on adding milk because you want to have a smooth consistency. You don't want to have it too watery and you don't want it too thick. So you just want to have it just in that nice smooth consistency. All right, it looks...
This is a gym workout. If you don't go to the gym, you don't need
this
to.
This is the day.
Just list.
Get some muscle. All right, let's see. It's pretty good. Now go ahead and set that aside. Now we're gonna get ready to do our dip. And it's really simple and
super good.
We are going to mix half a cup of mayo and crema mexicana, which is that Mexican delicious tasty cream.
And if you've been keeping up with Oksana, this was featured in the Huevos Rancheros. So,
right, crema
putting
mexicana,
it to good use.
The best. Go ahead and mix it up in a bowl. Mix it up with some of the crema. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some of the garlic. It's just so loaded with flavor. Make sure you add a little bit of salt. We don't want to add too much salt, just a little bit. After you whip that cream, it's actually going to look like this. step is going to be getting our salsa ready, because the kind of salsa that you want to eat this tacos with has to be fresh. Usually we do about 2 tomatoes. Cut the butt. I call it the butt. Go ahead and start chopping that.
Alright, round 2. Alright, we're all chopped up.
Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and chop. Make sure you cut the little tail, like colita we call it. Jalapeno, you want to cut it in half, all the way across. And let's dice it. There we go.
We're all chopped up.
So go ahead and add your jalapeno in here. Gonna go ahead and add some of the onions. So here's your salsa. It's all ready to go.
Fill a pot about 1/3 of the way with the canola oil. Dip our fish in the batter.
And now we're gonna look at the oil, and what I do is that I just drop like a little droplet of batter so that I can test that my oil is ready. Once they turn brown, then they're ready to be pulled out. And now she's gonna go ahead and prepare her taco. You can actually put 2 sticks in there or 3, as many as you want, but you want to leave a little space because you do want the other ingredients to go on top of your fish. Go ahead and place some cabbage on there.
Your vegetables.
The next thing you're going to put on there is going to be your salsa. And after your salsa, you're going to go ahead, get some lime here, and then squeeze some of it to your taste. No, there's a lot of squeezing going on here. She's strong. All that mixing made her strong. Go ahead and grab some of the cream. That is flavor right there.
Oh.
If you want to add more salsa to it,
Which we
go
do.
ahead.
We do.
She's a salsa freak, so she needs to have a lot of salsa. I am not.
Alright, and then my favorite part, our favorite part, here we are, we're going to try the fish tacos. And I already know what these taste like, but I'm excited. Let's go.
Ready?
Like, I knew these were good, but you forget how really good something is until you make it again.
So good.
Wow. Alright guys, thank you so much again for watching, for tuning in. You got to meet my mother, make her fish tacos. It's one of the few things she knows how to make, but they're delicious. Make them, let us know what you think. Let her know she's a good chef. She'll really like it.
And of course, remember that a little batch goes a long ways. Okay? So you can feed a whole multitude of people. It's really good.
Do it. Easy. Alright, subscribe, like, comment, let us know. I'm excited to hear from you. And with that, bye!
Enjoy!